guys, welcome to Cooking with Mimi, and here I have my special guest, my little sister. Say hi.
Hi. Still think it's Cooking with Lori though, but okay.
You can do better than that. You can do better than that. Say hi.
Hello?
Let's try this one more time. Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Mimi, and today I have my special guest, my little sister. Say hi.
Hi, I'm Lori.
And today we're going to make
Tiramisu.
Tiramisu.
Alright, same thing.
Tiramisu. Say it.
Tiramisu.
Tiramisu.
Alright,
Let's get started. Here we have 3/4 cups of heavy whipping cream. I have 1 cup of mascarpone cheese, half a cup of espresso dark, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Here I have, you can do like straight Baileys. This is 1/4 cup. I put 2 tablespoons of Haitian rum and 2 tablespoons of Baileys. But you could use either. Some people use wine, but this is my preference. I have 3 eggs. I have lady fingers, about 24, and cocoa powder for dusting. Let's get started. So first, we're going to make the whipped cream and set that aside while we get everything started.
First, I'm going to start off by whipping the heavy cream.
Okay. We have what we're looking for. Okay, stiff peaks. Okay. I'm bold, right? So now I'm just gonna transfer this into another bowl because I'm going to need this bowl, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, the whipped cream is finished, so I put that aside in the fridge for now. So here we're going to separate the whites from the yolk, and I also have water boiling. I'm gonna do a double boiler, so I'm gonna crack the egg. We only want the yolk. So I have my 3 egg yolks. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of the sugar from the 1/4 cup. 2 and 3. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of the We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of that, of the 1/4 cup of the alcohol mixture, and we're going to vigorously whisk it. Now that it's well mixed, this is very important, guys. You don't want your water boiling, you just want it at a low simmer. So when you're mixing it, it's best to use a mixer. You're gonna mix it for about 5 to 9 minutes until it's well incorporated and the volume doubles up. But you do not want to stop mixing it until you remove it off the pot. Okay? So I'm gonna start whisking it right now. Alright guys, this is what you're looking for. It's nice and creamy. As you can see, it gets everywhere. Okay? So keep in mind of that. So now, what I'm going to do is add the mascarpone cheese in, and we're gonna mix that in. Lori, would you like to do that? See that. Yes, get all that. Alright, mix that in. But you have to mix it fast. No, with the mixer. Oh. Now our mix is nice and smooth. Okay. Now we're going to make sure, you want to make sure that it's not hot or too warm before adding the whipped cream. I'm just gonna test it, and it's still nice and cold. So I'm gonna add the whipped cream, and I'm going to gently fold it in, half at a time.
Now that we set aside the mascarpone mixture, we're gonna get started on the lady fingers.
First, we're going to put the vanilla inside our coffee, the half a cup of coffee, sugar, and the Bailey's mixture. And we're gonna stir it well. Alright guys, now we're going to start putting the lady fingers. So you just want to quickly dip it in the coffee mixture and just put it along the side like so. You just want to, just a quick dip. Just put it along the side. Now that we have our lady fingers soaked in our espresso, we're going to add the cheese mixture, the filling. Just scrape everything, get it all in there. Oh my gosh guys, this smells so good. Just gonna give it a little spread. Alright guys, now I'm just folding in the ends of the lady finger. Folding it inside, because I just don't like that it's sticking up. Of our tiramisu. I had a lot of fun making this. Laura, did you have fun making this with me?
I sure did.
Yes, and thank you guys for watching. I really enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. Please support, support, support. Thanks for watching. Bye.